And this to show that judiciary is coming up for age in Nigeria. And Ali Mustafa, if I may say, might be a child of circumstance, because what we all know is that the military obey before complaint. Then in judgment, that judgment to serve as a lesson to some people who are at the end of affairs, trying to use their position to do whatever they like. You know, here in Nigeria, we believe that you can do anything and you get away with it. But that is not true. But for Ali Mustafa, I think what happens there is that the military is to put for complaint. And we do take a look on this issue. Very serious. Because that young man there might do something that others could do from the hierarchy above. So what I'm saying is that let it be a lesson to all Nigerians who think that they use their position to do whatever they like and get them money. Thank you, gentlemen.
Godi has spoken. This is still talking about the system, being the victim of the system. And you can hear from what he says, people do whatever they like because the victim, it's unfortunate to be part of the system. So how do you explain that to him?
You see, it's unfortunate, but something has to give. We can't go on like this. That young man, perhaps, I do not question the wisdom of our court. I don't question their prophecies. I do not hesitate to obey their oracles. But then, let's break it down. Somebody says, go and do this. In any event, he said, look at yourself, for instance. You're doing something. And suddenly somebody comes and says you have defamed. But you did something that it was in the line of your duty. And suddenly you're guilty. Perhaps you're liable for defamation. How do we look at that? I am saying that maybe he is a victim of such circumstance. And truly, you see, persons in the military, they should take a cue from it. Because it does appear that at the end of the day, it is the whims, it is the desires. Eventually, there's a crucifixion by the people who said, today they are the ones shouting, Hosanna, Hosanna. And in the next one, they say, crucify him, crucify him. So your only salvation lies in obeying the law and then following your conscience. So that at the end of the day, whatever comes out of it, you say, at least I followed the law.
Maybe the worst case scenario he would have had a court martial at the end of the day. But we never really truly will know if he was ordered or he gave the orders himself. Bayo calling from Kaduna. Bayo, good morning.